Hey guys, Havasu, beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're going to check out a listing that just came back on the market out there at Lakeridge Estates. It is the only house for sale in Lakeridge Estates right now. Real popular subdivision on the north end of town. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a community pool. We're gonna go check it out, hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're going into Lakeridge Estates, and if you don't know where that is, that's the lakeside of the highway, basically right across the street from Lowe's. It isn't an HOA, but there is no gate or anything like that. It's all underground utilities, natural gas. Everything has to meet architectural guidelines, so everything has a tile roof. It's a real nice, quiet, clean neighborhood with no hodgepodge, and is why it's very popular with locals and snowbirds. So the house is on the back end here, which is backing to the wash, which is the more popular side of the street, obviously. And the house is right up here on the left. So let's go check it out. All right, guys, we're out here at 2322 East Chelsea Street out here in Lakeridge Estates. It is the only house for sale in Lakeridge Estates right now. All nice in here, so everything's got tile roof again. HOA is cheap. It's like $65 a month. It's very quiet. Natural gas and underground utilities. This house was a rental for 7 years. It's the same person. They just moved out. So there are, he just moved out, I guess, so there is a schedule for it to come in and clean a little bit and do some painting inside. So let's go on in and check it out, see what it looks like now. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,741 square feet. These are all pretty much built in the 90s, mid-90s. And this one looks like it's kind of original. You know, it looks pretty clean. Carpet looks good. I guess they're going to do some touch-up paint. Nice open living, rear kitchen, eat-at counters. You know, it's got the original countertops, but it does have the gas stove. So you have your double door master, kitchen to the right, slider out to the backyard. It's a pretty good size master, bigger than normal. You have your big walk-in closet. You have your master bath with dual sinks, all original. It does have a skylight in here. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you also have the indoor laundry on the way to the garage door. It's got the sunken floor and drain, which is cool in case your thing leaks, it doesn't flood your house. So you got your hallway guest bath on the other side of the house. Just your standard setup. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Again, pretty standard setup, ceiling fan, sliding closet doors. You have bedroom number 3 at the back of the house. So I'm noticing this place has killer panoramic lake views. We're going to go check that out right now. All right, let's go check out the garage in the backyard. All right, so this is a 3-car garage, has 8-foot doors, and it also has a 25, a 20, and a 34-foot bay. Brought in a 50 amp on the side of the wall here. Soft water, your water heater that's on natural gas, expansion tank, all your cable, all your wire runs for your irrigation. All right, so we're on the back patio here, and there's tons of room back here for a pool or whatever. Full length, oversized patio. So this is the money shot off the backyard. Panoramic lake and mountain views. Probably going to be forever views. I don't see them developing over here anytime soon. So this is what the wash looks like. It's all mitigated with concrete that'll never erode. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video of the house over here in Lakeridge Estates. If you guys have any questions about it, all my contact information is right below this video. Always feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can see the original listing pictures and all the pertinent listing information. So you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.